Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find phone number and Instagram of some user. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to put your likes. And let us get started with you. So, open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, let's say you need to find some person. For that you can go to search. Then, in the search box, select the person, enter their name, for example. Go to their page. And then right there, where the message next to it, you'll have the phone function. But as you can see, this doesn't work with all Instagram users, only if the person has accessed their cell phone. Only then you can find their phone number on their page. If the person has closed the information, then, as in the case of this user, there is no cell phone function here. Friends, this is the simple way you can find some person's phone number on Instagram. But in case he opened this feature, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, also subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.